Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, when we look around us, we see everywhere violence is there. Husband killing wife, wife killing husband, and they kill their children. All these things are going on. Open the newspaper, the same news. On the TV, the same it is. Then we remember Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ told, love your neighbor as you love thyself. Our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, he too told the same. Non-violence he taught, and you are knowing, but he died a violent death on 30th January 1948. No doubt he taught the world non-violence, but he had to die a violent death. Sadly, today violence has become a way of solving problems. Gandhiji promoted a peaceful personal and communal life where needs were minimal and easily met. He lived modestly in a self-sufficient, peaceful ashram and wrote the traditional, and at the same time he wrote so many books, but while writing also he wore the traditional Indian dhoti and shawl woven with yarn that he had spun on a chakra, and ate simple vegetarian food to avoid harm to all living creatures. But today, what we look around us, it is difficult to imagine or even emulate such a peaceful environment. Even we see that school children shooting their own friends and teachers. The growing modern malice affects everyone in anger and even rage. As I told you, from school children who commit suicide because they did not get good grades, or many times you are knowing they even damage or kill their friends because of the fights and everyone. Today, 400 million people worldwide are affected by mental illness. Recently a study was done on this, and it was proved. Even alcohol, sleeping tablets tell the inside story of material success. People are having a lot of money, everything, but whether they are internally peaceful, happy, if you ask, no. The single pursuit of money can cut out all other sources of wealth, that is restful sleep, good digestion, health, family, sports, music, books, friends, everything. Everyone wants only money, 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 nothing else. So, what worries us today is why so many people are choosing the way which is not appropriate or inappropriate way of dealing with conflict. You are knowing, even the school going children, 13, 14, they involve in these violent things. So, we need to reduce conflict and develop positive emotions like love, compassion, courage, laughter, and wonder in our lives. If we love the others, we won't do such things. We also need to work at uprooting negative emotions like anger, lust, greed, and jealousy. What the world needs is a good attitude, positive attitude of giving giving something. The fastest way to be happy is to help others. If you want, you see, when you help someone, a needy, when you give him someone, look at your mental state of mind. You will be much, much happier. Then what things we should follow to make ourselves happy and our neighborhood and even others happy? Because you are knowing the means to end point is happiness. All other things, wealth, work, whatever, these are all means to an end. End is happiness. So first we should make friends with our neighbors, our family people, our colleagues, and everyone. Help families to get together, have small get together, and enjoy everyone, have some sports, anything, competitions and all. Arrange for kids to play together. So from the childhood, they will develop a happy living together. Start a walking club so that you all will go for a walk. Arrange to support people during tough times. That generally we do. You are knowing when flood attacks a particular area, we send all the things there. Our volunteers go, our doctors go. So we should always help people during their tough time. Attend your community meetings. Join a gardening club. Or senior citizens, you might be having your senior clubs. Become the members there. Attend Memorial Day parades and express appreciation to others. Offer to rake a neighbor's yard or help him in his or her work. Nowadays, because money is there, all these things have gone away. In olden days, even farmers used to help one another. Suppose I am having farm, I will come and help you to work in your farm. You will come and help me in my farm. Like this, the things were going on. Nowadays, everyone is having money. Those who are having money, they can afford to appoint the workers and all. That is why love, affection, need between the people is decreasing. But I tell you, if love is not there, nothing is there. In other words, love cannot replace anything. Love is the most important thing in our life. If you love others, if you are having loving attitude, if you are having positive attitude, if you are having optimistic attitude, I tell you, you won't fall sick also. Even diseases don't dare to come near us because they know that we are having love and affection with us. That is why what we should develop, what we should be after? Whether money, wealth, power and all? No. We should be after love. And you are knowing, we should give love and we should accept it. Means we should love others. And in return, they too will love others. So, love cannot be replaced by anything in this world. Have a good day.